Hello guys, in this video I wanna show you how you make face mask for younger looking skin at home. This mask is done to detoxify and purify your skin. The facial is not only restore the natural pH balance for your skin but also cleans and pour the deep and clean to prevent the formation of your blackheads. But you don't need to still worry about that. This remedy will help you to make your skin glow. To make this remedy we will need few natural ingredients such as Gond Katira. Gond Katira is very beneficial for your skin and enhance your beauty. Gond Katira contains anti-aging property. It helps to delay wrinkles and fine lines. Second one is yogurt. Unflavored natural yogurt is always preferred for use in the face mask. It has exploratory property that forms your skin from being dry and dull to lighter and softer. Last one is honey. Using honey by itself really is an effective skin clearing, moisturizing and treatment. Now we make this remedy. Simply we just add 1 teaspoon of Gond Katira into the mixture. Second one is we just add 1 teaspoon of yogurt. And in the last we just add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well. And the remedy is ready to use. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.